Hi guys, you're watching Do You Know How To, and today's video is on how to clean an Xbox 360 disc. And now I'm cleaning Black Ops, Call of Duty Black Ops. So, you take out the disc out from the case, and then down here, here's my disc getting very scratched. So the way I clean these discs is I get a bit of toothpaste, any toothpaste will do. I've got here Colgate, and then I put the toothpaste around the dip. Just one blob and one blob there. That's two. And what I do is I add a little bit of water, like that. Hot or cold water, it doesn't really matter. And I scrub it round, all the way around, like that. And then I wash my two fingers. Okay. And then what I have is a bit of Pepsi here. You need Coke or Pepsi, it doesn't really matter. Only a little bit, like this much. And I tip that on slowly. Slowly, all the way around, like this. I scrub it harder, all the way around. I put a little bit of pressure in. Twist it all around, like this, and I get just a little bit of water and slowly wash it off. Speeding it up a bit. Dry it up. Just eat it. And there we have, and that's how you clean Xbox 360 disc, and there it's perfect and in good condition, working order. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.